finally paired up. So I threw them in there. There she goes. That's the hen. That's the cock. Hen. Cock. Mean ass guy, man. This Modena, man. It's crazy. See how everyone's doing. Yeah, we got eggs there. Tippers, all them eggs again. Finally got my tipper side all done. See how the rollers are doing. Them guys about to lay. Got some babies there.